Your brain is a biological machine, and right now it's malfunctioning. You wake up tired, you scroll for hours, and you can't focus for more than 10 minutes because you are a slave to your own dopamine receptors. You think it's a lack of willpower, but it's actually a lack of chemistry. The world is laughing at you while you rot in comfort, but today we flip the switch and force your brain to enter a state of clinical focus on command through the God Mode protocol. This isn't self-help, this is neurowarfare. Step 1. Kill the dopamine ghost. Your brain is addicted to cheap hits from TikTok, sugar, and mindless scrolling that fry your circuits and make you soft. To trigger God Mode, you must start with a total blackout for 24 hours. No phone, no music, no junk, starving your receptors until boredom becomes your greatest strength. When you starve the brain of cheap pleasure, it starts craving hard work just to feel alive. Because you don't need more motivation, you need less distraction. Step 2. The cortisol spike. Most people spend their lives running from stress, but comfort is where dreams go to die. You must intentionally spike your cortisol every morning with cold showers or high-intensity intervals to force your body into a fight-or-flight state. By choosing to stay calm during this physical stress, you train your prefrontal cortex to dominate your primitive instincts, proving that you are the master and your body is just a tool. Step 3. The 90-minute kill zone. Focus is the new IQ, and if you can't sit in a room for 90 minutes to solve a complex problem, you are obsolete. You need to hunt down flow state by eliminating all notifications and using a 3-second kill switch. 3, 2, 1, back to work, whenever your mind tries to wander. Action kills overthinking and movement kills hesitation, so you don't wait for the right feeling, you create it through deep work. Step 4. The identity rewrite. Stop telling yourself that you are lazy or distracted because that version of you dies today. You are no longer a consumer, you are a producer and a machine that thrives under pressure. Warriors don't wait to feel disciplined before they act. They decide who they are and then act like it until the brain shuts up and follows. Every hard task you complete is a vote for this new version of yourself, and you do it because it's your identity, not because you want to. Step 5. Master the silence. Stop leaking your power by over-explaining your life or talking just to fill awkward gaps. Real dominance is being the one who can sit in total silence while everyone else is panicking to be liked. Hold the gaze, breathe slowly, and make them pay the price of the tension. The moment you stop rushing to be understood is the moment you finally become respected. The war for your mind is happening right now, and you can either stay a watcher or become a machine. Subscribe to upgrade.